ERC721A is an NFT standard developed by Kairu Labs, famous for its gas-efficient multi-mints. In this video, we are going to learn how you can create your own ERC721A NFTs. We start with setting up a sample hard hat TypeScript project. After that, we install the ERC721A package by typing the command npm i save dev ERC721A. Command should be on your screen right now. You can check your node modules folder for ERC721A package. Inside contracts directory, it contains the standard ERC721A implementation. It also contains extensions that extend the base implementation, but for this video, we'll stick to using the base implementation to create our contract. Let's start by deleting the default contract in the contracts directory of our hard hat project, and then create and set up a new contract. We define license and pragma and create a contract that we name NFTA. Now we need to import the ERC721A contract. Let's do that and then inherit it in our contract. Constructor arguments for ERC721A are similar to OpenZeppelin's ERC721 implementation. It takes the token name and symbol. Next, let's create a mint function. This is where we are going to notice the first major difference in the code compared to OpenZeppelin's implementation. We call the internal mint function inside our function, and as you can see, it takes the receiver address and the quantity as opposed to token ID. This means you can mint multiple tokens in O of 1 if you're familiar with the big O notation. This also means though that you can't mint specific token IDs. If you want us to do a comparison video between ERC721A and ERC721, like this video. At 100 likes, we'll do a full comparison video comparing pros and cons of each standard. Next is the deployment process. Let's set up a standard script to deploy this to a hard hat local node. If you want to learn how to deploy to a live network, we have a video for that. Link will be in the description. Let's run our deploy script, and that's it. Our contract is now deployed on the local hard hat node. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider liking and subscribing. It helps out a lot. And we'll see you next time.